Welcome to Spanish Junior Summer Camps in Spain, the perfect opportunity to combine fun, adventure, and discovery in one unforgettable summer experience. Our boutique summer camps are exclusively designed for 13 to 17-year-olds. We welcome all nationalities and backgrounds. Choose between two great Mediterranean destinations, the urban cool of Barcelona or the laid-back beaches of Malaga. Join a program for 1 week or more with a dynamic schedule that balances education and adventure. Our summer camp packages include 20 Spanish lessons per week with all levels welcome, afternoon and evening social activities every day, 3 life skills workshops per week, weekend excursions for students staying longer than 1 week, full board accommodation with 24/7 staff supervision. Overnight or day camp options are available. Visit the Spanish website for more information. Our exclusive life skills workshops are designed to build confidence, encourage creativity, and foster personal growth. Our workshop themes are Mediterranean mindfulness and well-being, intercultural communication, growth mindset and creative expression, budgeting, cooking, and first aid, sustainability and community giving, and public speaking. With these innovative workshops, students will be inspired and empowered to reach their true potential. Our overnight summer camp students will stay in modern student residences, complete with comfortable en-suite rooms, state-of-the-art facilities, and security on evenings and weekends. In Barcelona, students can make use of a music room, games room, sports facilities, and communal outdoor spaces. In Malaga, the student residency includes a movie room, games room, and an outdoor swimming pool. Summer camp students will be served 3 meals per day at the residency. Our regular overnight camps are for juniors who wish to stay on site throughout the summer camp. However, we also offer day camps for those who are in Barcelona or Malaga with their parents or legal guardians. This option allows students to join the day-to-day lessons, lunch, and social activities but not sleep on site. Summer camp by day and stay with family at night. Note that day camp students will not receive breakfast or dinner, and transfer to and from the camp is not included. What are the meal arrangements at summer camps? Students choosing full board accommodation will have breakfast, lunch, and dinner provided at the student residence each day. Day camp students will be able to join lunch at the residency cafeteria with everyone else. What safety measures are in place? Student safety is always the priority at our summer camps. Students will be supervised 24/7 by qualified Spanish staff and activity leaders who have experience working with children. We have staff live on site with students to ensure continuous support, and there is also a 24/7 emergency helpline available. Unsupervised outings are prohibited, and there is an 11 p.m. curfew. There is zero tolerance for alcohol, tobacco, or drugs at the camp. Travel health insurance is included in the package to give you peace of mind. What social activities are included? Our summer camps include daily activities aimed at making the experience fun and engaging for all students. Cultural activities include visits to iconic buildings, parks or beaches, dance or cooking classes, and city walking tours. There are nightly social activities such as movie nights, karaoke, or disco night. Students that stay for more than 1 week may also be able to join a weekend day trip or overnight excursion to a nearby attraction such as heritage sites, theme parks, or beautiful beach towns. Click the links below for more information and contact us to start a life-changing summer camp experience in Spain. Adventure, discovery, and global friendships by the sea.